Basic applications of computer. Computers play a vital important role in our daily life. Computer helps in the development of communication and information technology around worldwide. It is a social tool that adds job skills necessary for the modern world, that is, teach online interaction, how to type, use of programs, etc. It is also used to get information about reservation of tickets, books in a library, medical history of a person, place in a map, etc. The various applications of the computer in the field are, but not limited to, education, communication, banking, medical, scientific research, entertainment, government, business, designing. Computers are extensively used as a tool and as an aid for the education system. Educators use computers to prepare notes and presentations. In the field of teaching in particular, the wide use of computers is evident in different schools in elementary, high schools, colleges, and universities. Computers used for education, which allows the students to learn modern tools and knowledge that will make users to understand possible technological changes in the future. Computers are used to develop computer-based training packages, to provide distance education using the e-learning software, and to conduct online examinations. Communication. Communication means to send a message, which may be a text explanation, information, a picture, or speech that is received and understood clearly by the person for whom it is meant. The main use of the internet is to establish communication of users through computers. The communication through computers helped to know many things and also used to interact with many new peoples on social websites like Facebook, Yahoo, Orkut, Twitter, etc. At present, satellites are used to communicate all over the world, and it is controlled and operated by computers. Banking. Banking is mainly depending on the computers for their transaction, that is, fund transfer. Banks also give online accounting facility, which includes current balances, deposits, overdrafts, interest charges, shares, and trustee records. ATM machines controlled by computer helps a lot of people to get money from their account at any time in an easy and fast way. It helps bank to operate more efficiently and effectively. Without computers, it would be very hard for a bank to offer good customer service day in and day out. Medical. Computers are now becoming an important part of all medical systems. Computers are used in hospitals to keep the records of the patients and medicines. It is mainly used for diagnosing the diseases by scanning, ECG, EEG, CT scans, etc. Nowadays, computers are also used for performing surgery. For example, keyhole surgery. Scientific research. Scientists use computers for performing complex scientific calculations, for designing and making drawings, and also for simulating and testing the designs. Computers are used for storing the complex data, performing complex calculations, and for visualizing three-dimensional objects for the use of researchers. Launching rockets, space exploration are the main usage of computer in the world. The development in scientific technology and new inventions by scientists are only with the help of the computers. Entertainment. Computers had a major impact on the entertainment industry. People look forward for an entertainment and recreation to reduce their stress and strains of their complex machine-like schedules. There are many numbers of entertaining things developed with the help of computers, for example, movie using animation, development of music. With the advent of the internet, computers are means of entertainment such as watching shows, movies, and videos. The computers are also used to listen music, download and share music, create music using computers, etc. Government. Computers are used by the government in various ways. The government uses computers to manage its own operations and also for e-governance. Government websites are more useful to the people. Computers are used to pay all the taxes online, apply for all government-related jobs, e-filing tax returns, pay electricity bills, apply for PAN permanent account number card, apply for passports and to access property and asset-related records. Business. Online purchase of any items becomes the order of the day. Booking of tickets through online for flight, train, bus, movies and hotels etc. made easier. Online advertisement for buying and selling, online matrimonial for marriages make life easier. Designing. Computers are widely used in engineering design and manufacturing. Today, in fashion design has reached new heights by computer-aided methods of design. New software programs continue to replace old manual skills. Computer-aided design CAD, also known as Computer-Aided Design and Drafting CADD, is the use of computer technology for the process of design and design documentation. Various structural engineering software is used for designing of ships, buildings, budgets, airplanes, etc. In industrial engineering, computers are used to deal with design, implementation, and improvement of integrated systems of people, materials, and equipment. In architectural engineering, computers help in planning towns, designing buildings, determining a range of buildings on a site using both 2D and 3D drawings.